Hey guys, it is Friday here in West Virginia, so we're going to do our Free It Friday video, and today we're unboxing this Hot Wheels Premium Track Day box set. Probably not a set that I would usually pick up. It's really not my cup of tea. It's not what I really collect, but I have been tempted to pick up one of these Lamborghini Essenzas, the green and black one from, I think it's the Exotics Premium set. They also made a chase of it, the black with the red dot on it. So that has been casting that has been tempting me. So I finally got one in this box set. The reason I picked this up is because yesterday when I was at Walmart, they had this in the discount aisle. They were trying to get rid of it. They're redoing their toy aisle, well, diecast aisle, as many people have been posting on social media, and they're adding Barago Indy cars. They're adding these new Jada pink slips, 124th and 164th cars. Neither one of those series I like, but starting to see those, and they're also stocking up on some M2 stuff and stocking Hot Wheels stuff, and they're trying to get rid of all the old shelf warmers, and this was one of them. They had a bunch of these at one time, but they slowly sold off, and this was one. If maybe there was two left, and I got one, and they had it marked down from 20 bucks to 12 bucks. So not too bad. That's about $3 a piece on these diecasts, so not a bad deal at all for premiums. So this set is the first box set we've done probably in about a year and a half. We've done a couple Nissan ones and the Black Hole Gasser set, but that's been it. So this is kind of one that's long past due, but they haven't had any of the sets that I really want. The next one, well, not next one, the next one I wanted to get, it's already out, is the white Nissan GTR set with the old school GTRs, the C210, the Kenmary, and the Hako. So, don't know if I'll ever come across that one or not in the stores, but came across this one at a good deal, so we're going to unbox it today. So, it is the Track Day set, and it contains the Euro Hauler, the 84 Audi Sport Quattro, the Lamborghini Essenza SCV12, and the Sauber Mercedes C9. Then on the back side, it gives you a little pics of each car and tells you what they are, so you can identify who is who. If you're not a car guy, this will help you along. That end cap just has the same thing: Hot Wheels Premium Track Day, Hot Wheels Premium Track Day. Bottom side has your licensing write-ups on everybody, the sponsors, the car manufacturers, and so on. And then that's pretty much it. The warnings are on the front, our choking hazard and the age recommendations and all that stuff. So these are sealed with a circle transparent sticker, which I'm never going to try to peel it. I'm just going to cut it. So there we go. And the box I probably will do away with, but the insert I'm going to keep to do pics on because it is pretty cool. So we're going to toss the box to the side and then look at the background here. So this is kind of neat to take some pics of like NASCAR or road race stuff or whatever for that matter. I mean, it doesn't really have to be a race car, but this is a good background for the race cars, but it's a good background for anything. That's one thing I do like about the Track Day stuff. I did a lot of pics with the dragster scene from the Black Hole set. So anyways, they got tape over like rubber band inserts, and I'm just going to kind of cut these as we go along. As I said, we're opening this one together. This is not a pre-opened one, as some of mine are. Actually, let's just kind of lift him up and then cut. All right. So, this is your Euro Hauler, and he is pretty cool. Figure out how to get these rubber bands out of there. There we go. There we go. And there we go. So, pretty sweet hauler with the rear flip down door. Nicely done, the black with gold trim and the gold multiple spoke wheels that kind of look like the Hillebrand style wheels in my opinion. And then you have a bunch of Euro type sponsors on the side. The Hot Wheels logo over top of the rear tire kind of flows together. Looks pretty cool. Nice detail on the front. Once again with the Hot Wheels logo. And then you have tail lights, backup lights back here. So pretty cool little hauler. Now, moving along, let's go ahead and do the Audi. So that cutting on the bottom did absolutely nothing because the tape is there holding the rubber bands even after I cut them. So we'll just cut from the top. So this is a really cool casting. I've always liked this since the first time it was released a couple years back when they made the Super Treasure Hunt of it. And there was one Super that I wish I would have picked up, but I never did. But nowadays, because collection has changed, taste has changed, I'm not sure I will be getting a Super, but that would be the one example of this casting that I would have if I was to keep an example of this casting in my collection. These Euro style wheels suit the casting well, but I still like the chrome 5-spokes they used on the Super, although this is a lot better detail than the Super with the grille and the interlinking rings for Audi, headlight tampos. Very nice tampos across the front bumper. This casting is very cool because they had the side mirrors casted in. Nice detail on the tail lights and emblems. So pretty cool piece. And mine has a tampo flaw, which can be touched up with a Sharpie. So, anyways, moving along to the one car that I've been anticipating. And that is the Essenza. There we go. Got that one off. And we'll get the other one off here. And then we'll do a video, or not video, but we'll do the Mercedes next. So this is the Essenza. And this is also a nice casting with the mirrors casted into it. Done in a blue and black. Is very nice looking car. So kind of happy to have this one in the collection. And then the chassis is not very detailed on it, but the tail lights, nicely done. I think the spoiler is plastic. And it's got nice front end tampos and such. So, not a bad looking car. And then that would probably be the one I would keep from this. And now we have our Mercedes. So they still have not learned not to put the tampos on the, or not the tampos, but the rubber bands. I'm a little tongue twisted today. So, yeah, they have not learned not to do that because it destroys the paint if you are a box package collector and you leave these in the package. The rubber bands will eat the paint, so at least open it and get the rubber band off the car. I'm taking it that's there because this lifts off or something. Yeah, there we go. So it does have a removable engine cover, which is cool. It's kind of like the Nissan Le Mans car that they have. So wild looking paint job. Kind of outlined all the body lines or made it look like a futuristic computer graph, something like that. So pretty cool. Headlights are like plastic. I think they're part of the window bucket, but there's a nice detailed touch. Painted tail lights. So nice looking casting. So anyways, that is your Track Day Euro set right there. And as I said, if I'm going to keep one, I'd probably keep the Lambo, but I'm not even sure I'm going to do that. But had to get it and unbox it for you guys because of the price. So that's it for our Free It Friday. And then we'll be back again on Monday with a Mopar Monday. So be sure to tune back in for that and have a great weekend, guys. Thanks for watching.